So, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and ये वीडियो आज बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। आज 30th दिसंबर है and it is very important to make this video today क्योंकि see I don't have mic right now, you might hear these sounds, one day I'll buy that. Now, why it is very important to start today for me because the thing is, um, what happened this whole year? Oh my god, this whole year. This video is, right? You know by the theme of this and title of this video that this is a vision board video. Now, ये क्यों important है बनाना? बिकॉज पूरे साल मैंने बस इस चीज को टाला है, बस प्रोकेस्टिनेट किया है मैंने कि मैं बनाऊंगी बनाऊंगी बनाऊंगी, और ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने नहीं बनाया। मैंने स्टार्ट किया, वो कभी कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया। नाउ सी, आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो टुडे with my tea every time I'm procrastinating it, right? So today, yesterday at night I was not able to sleep. मुझे लगा कि नहीं यार, ये मैं ऐसे गिल्ट में नहीं रह सकती कि मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं किया। मैं न्यू ईयर पे छोड़ नहीं सकती इस चीज को कि मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं किया, मैं न्यू ईयर में करूंगी। नो, लेट्स स्टार्ट और लेट्स एंड दिस ईयर by growing or by starting my channel. Like in this video, you'll know my vision board for 2026, and this is the first time I'm making it. So I am with a copy with everything on it now. And okay, so मैं ऐसे मैंने प्रिंट एंड ऑल नहीं करवाया है। मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैं डिजिटल विजन बोर्ड बनाऊंगी, ओके, बिकॉज आई केम होम, ओके। सो here again I have to take print and do everything, and then I have to carry everything there. So healthy food first thing. Past 4 5 years, 3 4 years, I'm eating quite unhealthy. Not unhealthy by wish. The thing is, I stay outside, so I'm trying so much hard to switch to healthier and eat healthier and avoid outside food. But still, it's so much. You cannot do that so much. You have to eat outside because I do a job, so उसमें time नहीं मिल पाता। तो मैंने इस बार सोचा कि like let's try again and quite let's move to healthy side more because आजकल हेल्थ का बहुत ही खराब सिचुएशन चल रहा है सब जगह। सो या सेकंड थिंग जिम, लाइक आई लास्ट ईयर आई वाज ट्राइंग विद whatever equipments it was present in my PG, so I was trying to do with those. So I used to go on treadmill and everything. I used to lift weight or 30 minutes this treadmill thing I'll do, and then 15 minutes cycling I'll do. I used to do, but the thing is I feel like जब तक से वो प्रेशर और वो एक टाइम बनाना हुआ हो ना कि आपको जिम जाना है, आपको करना है, मैं नहीं करूंगी। सो मेरे को वैसे चाहिए होगा, मैं अपने से मैं ट्राई करती हूँ पर somehow मेरे से नहीं होता है। So I'll be like, okay, let's try gym. When I go back to my place, I'll join gym or Pilates, something of these two. Swimming. Now the thing is, मैंने बचपन से सोच रखा था कि मुझे स्विमिंग सीखना है, मैंने कभी सीखा नहीं। Now after joining this job, so I thought, okay, now I'll do. Now last year what happened? मैंने पूरे साल सोचने में बिता दिया। Somehow whole year went off. अब मैंने सोच रखा है, मेरी चाय ठंडी हो रही है। मैंने सोचा है कि इस साल स्विमिंग तो सीखनी है। दिस थिंग आई वांट टू लर्न। ओके, नाउ 3 चीज़ें हो गई ना। फोर्थ थिंग इज़ आई वांट टू गो फॉर मोर ट्रिप्स। लाइक लास्ट दिस ईयर आई वेंट ऑन वन डे ट्रिप नियर बाय बेंगलुरु। सो हाँ, सो मैंने की है बट नॉट लाइक 1-2 दिन का और समथिंग लाइक दैट। आई वेंट टू गोवा एज़ वेल, बट आई फील लाइक आई कैन डू मोर, like more explore and have fun thing. So I want to go on trips more. Okay, grow on I want to grow on channel. Like this channel I want to grow. I hope it grows till the end of the next year, and like I hope it reaches few places. And related to this, now I lost the count. Okay, guys, I will put some count afterwards while editing. So yeah. So next thing related to this, I will love to work with few brands. So yeah, brands, and then most important thing, I want to do less overthinking, guys. I'm a great overthinker. Like, oh my god, like, yeah, but this overthinking works for me. Okay, I can understand the situation and what is happening and how it is going to give a result. I'm so damn good at it. So yeah, so okay, so I want to do less overthinking. I cannot stop. I know that. So yeah, less overthinking. और मुझे कुछ चीज़ों को करने में ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं है। मैं बहुत सोचती हूँ कि ओ ओ ऐसे हो गया, वैसे हो गया, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए था, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए था। I don't want to do that all. Now, one more very important for me, I want to think about myself, not about others so much. How things, anything I'm thinking about others, how it will affect others. And the thing is, nobody's like, I want to think about myself. I don't want to hurt myself for others. So yeah, this is very important for me because I need to keep reminding myself कि हाँ भाई, अपने लिए सोच लो। कृपया करके आप अपने लिए सोच लें, प्लीज। shift to a flat. So for 3-4 years, I am living in PG. So it is convenient also, but yeah, I want to shift to flat. So I'm thinking next year it might be the year to shift to flat. Right? So yeah, I will love to shift to flat. It is also very important, guys, to earn more money. Yeah, so I want to earn more money and do few things. So I hope I won't. I will earn more money. भगवान जी पैसे पैसे भगवान जी. More creativity, more care. I want to create more work, more things, more for this platform and everything. I'll try my best. And skincare, guys, skincare. So I want to have great skin. Everybody wants. So I also want. So I want to have a great skin. So I'll try to do more research about skincare products and then thankful to the people who will make my next year very nice. So yeah, so I'll be thankful to them and to the opportunities which will come in my way, and I'll try to grab it, not leave it. So I'll be grateful and thankful to the situation and people. Yeah. So this thing, I want to have one international trip. One, at least one international trip I deserve. One. I'll, I'll see I want to have. So I try to go on an international trip. I'll try to have my next year more with more fun and peaceful. I want it to be more peaceful. बहुत please peaceful होना, fun होना, like that. So yeah, this will have my vision board. So I'll create digitally and I record that as well. So yeah, अब ये पूरी तरह like it is clear. So yeah, so I will start pasting all these. So these pictures I will make it up here and then we'll see how it is looking. Finally, this is how my desktop looks. And I feel like ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. So while I was making my vision board for my phone, so I realized कि मैंने swimming को तो miss ही कर दिया है. So I added this here. I made little changes. So I added this image here and that's it. So yeah, this is quite update. So that I'm liking it so much. It is so good. Don't you think so? It's very aesthetic. It's nice. And it's like not so many things, but many things are there actually. So yeah. So I'm working on my this I'll show you मैं अपने ये फ़ोन के लिए काम कर रही हूँ. So दिस इज़ इट गाइस. ये मैंने अपने फ़ोन के वॉलपेपर के लिए किया है. मैं आपको फ़ोन में नहीं दिखा पाऊँगी क्योंकि मैं उसी फ़ोन से शूट कर रही हूँ. So yeah, so this is it. I hope you like it. So आई होप आपको मैंने ये कैनवा से बनाया है एंड मैंने फ्री वाला जो होता है कैनवा मैंने वो यूज़ किया है. मेरे पास कोई सब्सक्रिप्शन नहीं है. सो इफ आई कैन मेक इट यू कैन मेक इट टू एंड आई एम गिविंग इट अ ट्राई. सो आई होप आपको भी ये ट्राई करना चाहिए बिकॉज व्हाट इफ यू नेवर नो. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, subscribe, share, comment, and we'll see you in the next video with Pradipti Singh. Bye.